Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on multi-digit subtraction with regrouping. Our model problem is 74,379 minus 19,852. I'm going to go through step by step on how to solve that problem. Now, before we do any subtraction, I always say, look to see if regrouping is required. With subtraction, we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. For example, if we look in the thousands place, we cannot start out with 4 and take away 9 because 9 is more than 4. So we would need to regroup in the thousands place. If you look in the hundreds place, same thing. You can't start out with 3 and take away 8. So in the thousands place and in the hundreds place, we do need to regroup. So we regroup by taking away 1 and adding 10. So I'm going to take away a 1 from the 10,000s place. The 7 is going to become a 6. And then the 4 is going to become a 14. Let me make that 4 a little bit neater. So now again, in the hundreds place, we have to add 10 and take away 1. So the 3 is going to become a 13. And the 14 in the thousands place, we have to take away 1 now, and that also becomes a 13. All right, so now that we've done all of our regrouping, we are now ready to subtract. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, so starting in the ones place, 9 minus 2 equals 7. Seven minus 5 equals 2. Thirteen minus 8 equals 5. 13 minus 9 equals 4. And 6 minus 1 equals 5. And we have our final answer. 74,379 minus 19,852 equals 54,527. All right, I'm going to do one more example, and then we're probably going to call it a video. So again, the first step is always to see if we need to regroup. And I always do all of my regrouping before I do any subtraction. So again, we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit bigger than the top digit. And in the thousands place, that is the situation. You cannot start out with 3 and take away 8. We're fine in the hundreds place. In the tens place, we have to regroup again because you cannot start out with 5 and take away 9. So now I'm going to do my regrouping. Again, we regroup by adding 10 and taking away 1 to the digits to the left. So the 8 in the 10,000s place is going to become a 7. And then the 3 in the thousands place is going to become a 13. Now looking at the tens place, again, we have to add 10 and take away 1. So the 4 in the hundreds place becomes a 3. And then we take that 10, We add to the tens place, the 5 becomes a 15. And now we are ready to subtract. Always good to double check to be sure. So 2 is greater than 1, 15 is greater than 9, 3 is greater than 1, 13 is greater than 8, 7 is greater than 5. So all the top digits are bigger. As long as the top digits are bigger than or equal to the bottom digits, you're able to subtract. They can be equal to, but they have to at least be equal to. They have to be equal to or greater than the bottom digits. If the bottom digits are bigger, that's when regrouping is needed. But we are ready to subtract for this problem. So I always start in the ones place when I start the subtraction. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 83,452 minus 58,191 equals 25,261. That is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.